Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have for you guys a really great application slash website to show you, and it's called Mobile Points. And this application is really amazing. You can make a whole lot of money, which I'm about to show you right now. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing how to massively grow your income online and at home, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so as I said before, the app is called Mobile Points, and you can see it here on my screen. So I'm going to link this website in the description below, and I believe it's supported by both Android and iPhone, so all of you should be able to use this app. Now, before I start, let's just go through some of the statistics that they have. So you can see here that they have around 2,000 total users. They've paid out quite a bit, actually, so they paid almost $21,000 from this app, so that's a lot of money. And they've paid out many gift cards. In fact, they've paid 12 gift cards in total, or to each user, I'm not sure, but they've paid out gift cards for sure. And you can see here they have a lot of rewards, which I'm going to go through later on this video, including PayPal, iTunes, Google Play, and more. They have very high payouts, and they're constantly evolving, and they have a really great referral system, which I'm also going to show you soon in this video. Alright, so now let's go into the application. So let's click on Get Started here, and when you first click on that, you're going to have to create an account. It's very straightforward, very simple. You just need an email, and you're all set. And now once you get in here, you're going to see that it'll show you your total points, which are listed up here in the top right corner of my screen. And these points are what you use to buy your rewards, and those rewards can be used for many different types of gift cards and PayPal, and I'm going to show you guys that right now. So if you go here into rewards, so let's tap on that and let's check out what different rewards that they have. So you can see here that the first thing that they have is PayPal, and if you tap on that, you can see here that they do have PayPal credit, and it says that it is delivered in 24 to 48 hours, so it's very fast. And you can expect to get your reward very quickly as soon as you cash out. And I believe the conversion rate for $1 to points is, it takes 270 points to get $1 of rewards. So if you want $5 of PayPal, you're going to need 2,700 points. And then it's the same for all these other rewards. So for like iTunes gift cards, $5 is still 2,700 points. They have Google Play, Amazon, Best Buy, Xbox, PSN. They have a whole lot of different options, so you're definitely not limited in the types of rewards you can get. And the selection is just great, so that means that you can pretty much get whatever you want. Alright, so now you may be wondering, how do you get points? Alright, so now let's go back, and let me tap that. So now you can see here that there's two ways. I mean, there are more, but these ones down here, the tasks and the mini games, do not work right now. So once they do work, you'll be able to do those. But for now, you have two ways to earn points. One of them is this thing right here that says earn points. I'm going to go through that after the other way, which is to invite friends and get referrals. And I highly recommend referrals because it just makes it super easy, since all you have to do is refer people, and every time they get points, then you get a portion of those points as well. So you can earn points while you're sleeping, while you're doing anything that you want. And the way you do that is you're going to get this invite code, and you also have an invite link. So whenever someone signs up, they can either enter your code, or they can sign up using your link, and it'll automatically enter the code for them. And whenever you do that, you get 10% of the points that they earn for life. So it's really nice. And the ways that you can spread your invite codes, you can make a video on YouTube like I'm doing, or you can make a blog post, you can share it on social media. There's many different ways that you can get referrals on internet, and it's very simple. And if your post goes viral or whatever, then you can get a whole lot of referrals, and that'll make you earn a lot more points and a lot more quickly too, so you can cash out as quickly as possible. Alright, so now besides referrals, there's another way, and the way you earn points through this other way is to tap on the earn points link, and you can see that they have many different options that you can do to earn points. So first of all, here you can see that you can install apps, and this is very straightforward. All you have to do is tap on the link, and then it'll tell you to get started. So for example, this is for iHeartRadio. It says to download the iHeartRadio app and listen to the Ron Burgundy podcast in order to earn the points. So if you press on get started, what it will do is it will load, and then it'll open up your app store, and you just have to install the app and download it and do whatever it says, and you'll earn the points. So I've shown you guys this before in many different videos for multiple different apps. So I'm sure you guys all know how to do this already, and it's very, very easy. You literally just have to download it and do what it says. And you can earn a lot of points from this. So you can see that you can earn 185 points for downloading the iHeartRadio, 140 for Portal Quest, and so on for many of these other apps. And you'll get to 540 points in no time. And eventually you'll get to 2,700 points, which you can then cash out for a $5 gift card or $5 in PayPal. So now, besides installing apps, one other thing you can do is to complete tasks. And these tasks are very straightforward, very simple. So you can see here, for example, it says to enter your name and complete the steps to unlock the content. And then so on for all the rest of them. You just have to enter an email, and then they'll make you do some task that is very easy to do, and you'll be able to earn the points. And once again, you can earn many hundreds of points through this option. So now the final way that you can earn points is this pin, and the pin submits are basically where you enter a phone number and they will send you a text message with a pin code, and when they do that, you just have to enter it into the offer and you'll earn the points if you enter it correctly, of course. And once again, these are very easy. The points they'll come very fast if you use this method. And like I said, if you look here, you can get like 800 points for this iPhone XS Max one, or another 810 for this PayPal $1,000 gift card offer, and so on. So yeah, and then if you go to this more, you'll see that these are the same ones that don't work right now, the tasks and the mini games. Of course, the referral does work, so that's another way, as I said earlier, but the other two are still a work in progress. So when those do finish up, then you'll be able to use them. So yeah, that's about it for this app, guys. Like I said, it's very easy to use. It's very simple. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.